Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not detecting your controller, right? So yeah, I know it's very hectic, you can't play games, but yeah, I'm 100% going to give a solution. First of all, you have to just go to the search bar of your Windows, depending upon if you're using a Mac, then you can just follow the same thing. And here, just type USB, right? Once you type here USB, you will get this option, set up USB game controller. Just go to here. Once you go here, and right, well, let me just, I can't zoom it right now, but yeah, I hope you can say this. So here in the controller, make sure of course that your controller is connected to your laptop or PC, right? And once it if that controller is, I mean, if your PC or laptop is able to identify your controller, then it will show it here, right? And once you click here, you can just change. For example, if you just go to setting, you can see that none of the controller is shown here because it is not connected, right? So make sure it is it identify that you have connected some kind of controller, right? If it doesn't, then there could be an issue where you have, I mean, there could be issue in the USB input, right? So if you able to find this controller here, then it's good. But again, if you're not able to find the solution, then open your Steam, right? Once you open the Steam, you can just go here, store or library, whatever option, and the top right you will see this Steam, right? You can see view, friends, game, help, everything, right? So just click on Steam. Once you click on the Steam, you will get this drop down. Once you get this drop down, go to the settings, right? In the settings, you will see a lot of options. So what you have to do here, you can see controller, right? So just go to the controller and let me just make it full zoom, right? And here you can see no controller is detected, right? If there could be a controller, then of course that Steam will be able to detect it, right? If it doesn't, then of course there is an issue in your USB port, right? So make sure you fix it. And here if you're using an Xbox, then you can just make sure you install it, right? And you can tweak some of the changes here depending upon your controller, right? So these are the things where it will help you. I hope that you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video.